Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, first of all, look at the chart from 2013. What we have seen that the chart was moving in this particular zone. The silver was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, and this particular chart from June 2014, we have seen this is the high. As and when this high breaks, we have seen a sharp upside has come and it has already made a high of around $29.957. Okay, after that what we have seen, if you look at this particular chart, from this particular zone, whenever it has break a zone, it has already made a new upside trend. You can say that this is the zone, it moved downside and we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, and this is where the pandemic has come, with this where the price of silver has moved drastically and all other commodities you can see. Okay, so after that what we have seen the pandemic, there is a continuous rise in the price of silver and it was moving in this particular zone. As soon as this zone breaks downside, we have seen it made a low of around $17.54 and from there it is trying to move upside, and since then it is moving upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, $21.208 is the price, which is the high of that particular zone, and once started moving upside, it has already made a half around $24.291. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, before we move forward and explain you where the price of silver can move in this particular week and the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full videos, you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a continuous upside movement. Okay, and it is moving in a ascending order but in a quite volatile range. So suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, which is on higher chances, yes, it will sustain. So chances are high we can see a level of $23.715, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can go towards a level of $24.096. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $24.335. Okay, and once the price sustain this particular zone, because this is the zone where the price of silver was moving. Okay, so once this zone move upside, so chances are very high that we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of 25.573 is there. Okay, as you can see, a level of around 25.287 is already a weak resistance, so chances of moving this level is on a higher side. Again I repeat, once its zone move upside and touch a level of $24.335 and sustain above that level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $24.716, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around 25.413. Okay, and this level is already being tested here, so chances of moving further upside is there. We can see a level of $24.573 to a level of, it can go towards a level of $26.145 and then further upside, because this is the zone, it will come in this particular zone once it move above this particular zone. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see, it is moving in an ascending order on the upside. Okay, and this is the range. Once this zone have moved upside, this breakout it has given, then only we have seen it is on the upper side. Now what you are trying to see, that is trying to make a swing. Okay, and if swing form at this particular level, so the next support we can see is coming at around $23.287. Okay, so once it fall below this particular support, chances are very high that we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $22.667. Keep this in mind, once it fall below this particular level, we can see a level of $22.667, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $22.447. Okay, and once it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching further down, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $22.048, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $21.572. Okay, and once it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of around $20.810 to a level of $20.476. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching $20 will also be there if this level also didn't sustain. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. And now understand something. Suppose if you're trading, most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That is 1000 to 1500. Okay, this is all my personal opinion. Okay, now a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, so now suppose if you took 5 trades, a risk is 100 per trade, so your maximum risk will be $500 for a day. Okay, so suppose if you lose all your 5 trades, you will not be in a burden to recover this $500. Okay, what people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself. They try to recover. Suppose 5,000 they lose, or 3,000, then they try to recover this amount, and in the process of recovering they lose their full capital. This is what they do. Okay, so what you have to do is you can relax. This is what I teach in my workshop, that how to overcome all these things, how to trade technically, when to enter, when to exit. Okay, these are some of the strategies which I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.